Ayan, pang part 4 na tayo. Sobrang humaba. Oh my God. So, hindi ko na i-recap pa kasi sayang yung oras. You could check the part 1 to 3 doon sa mga previous post ko. By the way, before I found out na meron siyang girlfriend, night before that, she confessed na gusto niya ako. Na yun nga, gusto niya daw ako ligawan. Basta mga ganun. I didn't expect naman na meron siyang girlfriend na she was just lying. That's what I thought. Pero I told her binasted ko siya. Ganda yan. Boto busted na yan. Kasi during that time, I was super problematic kasi na-estafa ako and I still have extra baggages dun sa ex ko. Kasi we just broke up lang din and yung night nga na yun, puro maoy lang din ako kasi puro iyak lang. Kaya she knew talaga na hindi ako okay, na I'm not ready for any relationship. And I offered her only friendship. Yun lang. So yun yung mga sinabi ko sa kanya when she confessed. So yun, friends kami. Okay naman. Okay naman siya. But of course, syempre hinanap ko siya sa Facebook and then syempre i-add ko siya sa Facebook until boom! I found out na yun nga, may girlfriend siya. Paano ko nalaman na meron siyang girlfriend? Nung sinearch ko siya sa Facebook, biglang may lumabas na post parang 1 hour ago. Tapos parang nagulat ako like, what the heck? Paano nangyari yun na nakapag-post siya 1 hour ago? Eh, she wasn't using her phone. Parang she was like cooking nung time na yun or I don't know, nag-iihaw siya ng talong. And then I realized, oh my God, nahack yung Facebook niya. So hindi ko muna masyado binasa yung content ng post pero super haba. And I was like super tinatamad magbasa ng mahabang post kasi hindi naman ako ganun ka-interesado. Pero the content was about, it is about her ex and how she cheated several times and how she exploited money to get this, to buy this, mga ganon. Basta everything about that. So me, being a friend, I told her na, oy, yung Facebook mo, I think nahack ng girlfriend mo. I was super concerned pa nga. Sabi ko, go get your phone kasi ang dami ng shares, ganyan, pinag-uusapan ka na. So little did I know na meron pala siyang girlfriend and it was their first anniversary. So yun, pinanindigan niya pa rin yung story nila. They broke up because of this and that. There are a lot of stories, made up stories ni Hergie. Hergie was a total mess. As in, she really messed up and I didn't really care that time kasi marami akong ding pinoproblemang iba. I was actually willing to be her friend. But since marites ako, nakichismis ako sa mga ex niya.